What is snapping and popping from joints? Is it normal or worrisome? Let's explore. I am Dr. Mohit Madan, consultant orthopedics. Snapping or popping sound from joint arises due to air bubbling inside the synovial fluid. Second reason is in cases of osteoarthritis where irregular joint surfaces glides over each other. Third reason is when during joint movement ligament or tendon glides over the bony prominences. Fourth, in cases of deficiencies of minerals and vitamins, such sounds can arise from your joint. Is it normal or worrisome? In most of the cases, it is considered normal unless and until associated with pain. Simple treatment is rest followed by some exercises and few medications.